Oh my god guys, it's time to react, call out other people for using kids cheering sound effects.
Oh, my freaking good, SMG4, this is the 7th time for using the kids cheering sound effect, and the kids cheering
Barrel leave SMG4 alone.
sound effect. It's serious, these sounds of kids cheering are inappropriate.
Excuse me, how the fuck kids cheering sound effects is inappropriate? Does kids cheering sound effects look inappropriate to you?
Disgusting, sad, scary. Please delete all kids cheering sound effect and the yay too. Look.
Wow, just wow, you can't force him to delete kids cheering sound effects. But wait, does kids cheering sound effects look disgusting, sad, scary to you?
Now you're a follower of Singing Walrus. Remove all kids cheering sound effects. Repetitive was created by Sound Ideas. These are from the 1999s or 1970s. Deleting all videos that have kids cheering sound effect. Don't use these sounds again. If you use it again, I'll hit you with a stick. Debater, end call. Up.
Most dumbest call out video ever.
God, get over here right now, Chuck E. Cheese.
Jesus Christ, Barrow, that scared the crap out of me.
How dare you use Sound Ideas, children, crowd, small, studio of, audience, of, children, big, cheer, cheering, 0, 1. You know the kids cheering sound effect is extremely racist.
How the fucking kids cheering sound effects is racist, can you explain?
Now you're starting to become a Jeff Mar wannabe, and you made Dark Lord of Chaos for 159. Cry. End of call out.
Most dumbest call out video ever.